Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the frosted texture effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then we're going to find by scrolling down the frosted texture effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And what we're going to do is place it in the beginning of the clip and then elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. Now, with it being selected, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab and we can mess with the color, going back and forth. I like the pinky pink, filters, strength, noise, and the size of the effect. And we can also add keyframes. So let's take a look. It gives like that nice 70s vibe about it. Vaporwave. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.